Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you stories from the fascinating world of technology. In this episode, we will be exploring the history and evolution of Bluetooth, one of the most widely adopted wireless technologies in use today. If you enjoy learning about how everyday tech came to be, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. All right, let's get started. Before diving into the story of Bluetooth, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember those olden days before smartphones and wireless headsets? We had bulky cellular phones tethered by wires to chargers and hands-free kits, or worse still, clunky walkie-talkies. Then along came Bluetooth, liberating us from cables and connecting all sorts of electronic gadgetry wirelessly within short ranges. Nowadays, everything from your mouse, keyboard, printer, smartphone, earbuds, fitness tracker, car stereo system, gaming console, to home security cameras likely uses Bluetooth. But what exactly is Bluetooth, and who was responsible for its creation? Let me tell you their incredible tale. Communicating over long distances has always been vital for humanity. For millennia, humans relied on visual and auditory signals passing through natural elements. Smoke signals, drum beats, fire signals are some examples of primitive but effective means employed by civilizations throughout history. As societies advanced, so too did communication methods. Semaphore lines, optical telegraphs, and electric telegraph systems enabled faster information exchange. Eventually, these developments culminated in the invention of the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. By the latter half of the 20th century, data transmission became digitally driven, leading to rapid advancements in computing power and internet connectivity. Devices proliferated quickly, necessitating seamless interaction between varying hardware and software ecosystems. It all began in Sweden during the late 80s. Engineers at Ericsson Mobile Communications sought reliable connections between cellular phones and accessories, minus physical cords. Among them was Dutchman Dr. Jaap Hartsen, assigned to develop short-range radio links. Hartsen drew inspiration from actress Hedy Lamar's Bubble Y2 communication system, leveraging frequency-hopping spread-spectrum technology. Adaptive frequency hopping ensured minimal interference and heightened signal stability, the cornerstone of Bluetooth's success. Concurrently, Intel engineer Jim Kardak wrestled with similar issues regarding PC peripheral wireless connectivity. Learning about Hartsen's breakthrough via Nokia executive Ivar Gulliksen, both parties saw alignment and decided to join forces alongside other industry titans, IBM and Toshiba included. Together, they established the Special Interest Group, SIG, tasked with refining and standardizing Hartsen's original concept. Members hailed from multiple sectors, ensuring compatibility across divergent technological landscapes. Choosing a name proved challenging until Kardak suggested Bluetooth, invoking Danish King Harald Blåtand, Harald Bluetooth. Renowned for unifying feuding tribes under one banner, Bluetooth encapsulated unity amid diversity, fitting given the coalition's goals. Following rigorous testing and tweaking, V1.0 debuted in July 1999, offering modest data transfer rates, 721 kbps. Despite limitations, this launch signaled a monumental stride toward untethered communication. Subsequent releases improved upon earlier models, introducing greater bandwidth, extended range, robust security protocols, and novel functionalities. Current Bluetooth standards support speeds above 2 Mbps and reach distances upwards of 200 meters. Recently, mesh networking entered the fold, empowering IoT integrations. Users may link compatible devices effortlessly, expanding network coverage exponentially. Nowadays, Bluetooth reigns supreme across diverse domains. Consumer electronics, automotive entertainment systems, healthcare apparatuses, and industrial machinery benefit from dependable wireless connectivity afforded by Bluetooth. Per Statista, global shipments of Bluetooth products neared 5 billion units in 2019 alone, underscoring its universal appeal and utility. Unquestionably, Bluetooth left profound imprints on myriad frontiers. Countless professionals owe their careers to its existence, while millions leverage its conveniences daily. Behind every innovation lies a cast of unsung heroes, driving change against odds. Without trailblazers like Hartsen, Kardak, and colleagues, our digital landscape could resemble a disjointed maze instead of an integrated web. Innovation demands cooperation, openness, and tenacity, traits embodied by Bluetooth's creators. They demonstrated resilience despite setbacks, illustrating grit necessary for triumphant outcomes. Undoubtedly, tomorrow holds exciting prospects for Bluetooth. Emerging trends point toward augmented reality, virtual assistants, smart homes, self-driving cars, and sustainable energy solutions. All prime candidates for Bluetooth integration. We stand indebted to pioneers venturing boldly into uncharted waters. Thanks to their ceaseless pursuit of excellence, we revel in luxuries once deemed science fiction.